Chapter 3, Properties of Natural Resources. Hello, dear students. Have you ever thought about what makes life on Earth possible? It is because of natural resources like air, water, and soil. These resources are gifts of nature. They help plants grow, animals live, and even help us cook, clean, and breathe. In this chapter, we will learn about the properties of these natural resources and how they help us in our everyday life. Let's begin our journey through air, water, and soil. Properties of air. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it. Still, we know it is there. We can feel it when the wind blows or when we blow air through our mouth. Air has weight. If you fill a balloon with air, it becomes heavier. That means air has mass and weight. Air exerts pressure. The air around us pushes in all directions. This is called atmospheric pressure. It is the reason why things like straws and syringes work. Air and Bernoulli's principle. When air moves faster, its pressure becomes less. This is called Bernoulli's principle. It helps explain how airplanes fly and how water sprays out from a straw when we blow across it. Humidity. Sometimes air feels sticky. That's because of moisture in the air called humidity. Humidity is more during the rainy season and near the sea. Air helps sound and temperature. Air carries sound to our ears. Without air, we wouldn't hear anything. Air also keeps the earth warm by holding in heat from the sun. Properties of water. Water is another wonderful natural resource. We drink it, use it for cooking, cleaning, farming, and more. Water is a fluid. Water flows and takes the shape of whatever container it is in. Water has mass and volume. Like air, water also has mass and takes up space. It can even be used to push heavy machines through hydropower. Ice floats on water. When water freezes, it becomes ice. Ice is lighter than water, which is why it floats. Water is the only liquid that becomes less dense when it freezes. This is called anomalous behavior. Water is a universal solvent. Water can dissolve many things. That is why we call it a universal solvent. It helps in digestion, cleaning, cooking, and even making medicines. Uses of water. Used in vehicles to cool engines. Used in factories and labs. Used in hydroelectric plants to make electricity. Properties of soil. Soil is the top layer of earth where plants grow. It looks simple, but it is very important. Types of soil. Sandy soil. Large grains, water drains quickly, not very fertile. Silt soil. Medium grains, holds water, good for farming. Clay soil. Very fine particles, holds lots of water, smooth to touch. Soil texture and structure. Texture means the size of soil particles. Structure means the way these particles are arranged. Good soil structure allows water and air to reach plant roots. Soil color. Soil can be black, red, yellow, or brown. Color tells us how fertile the soil is and what minerals it has. Soil fertility and testing. Fertile soil helps Fertile soil helps plants grow well, but if we use too many fertilizers, soil becomes poor. So we do soil testing to check what nutrients are missing. Soil testing also tells us if the soil is acidic, neutral, or alkaline. Special types of soil. China clay, kaolin, used to make crockery and tiles. Shadu soil, used to make idols and statues. Terracotta soil, used to make pots and decorations. Multani mitti, used in skincare products. Conclusion. So, students, today we learned that air gives us oxygen, carries sound, and controls temperature. Water is useful in many ways: drinking, cleaning, dissolving, and floating. Soil helps plants grow and comes in different types, each with its own special uses. Natural resources are precious. Let's learn to use them wisely, protect them from pollution, and keep our earth safe and healthy for the future.